Hi, this is Rashmi and we'll discuss about the human heart. This is the human heart diagram you can see, and the main parts of the human heart are, you can see here that these are the four chambers we have. First one, that is the left atrium. First one is the left atrium. Second one, this is the left ventricle. This is the third chamber, which is the right atrium, and the fourth chamber, that is the right ventricle. So two upper chambers we have, left atrium, right atrium, and two lower chambers we have, left ventricle and right ventricle. And these four chambers means left side, both the chambers are separated by the right side chambers with the help of a wall called septum. So this is a wall, that is septum. So blood comes in left atrium, the oxygenated blood comes in the left atrium. And how does it come? It comes through the pulmonary vein. So this you can see, pulmonary vein is bringing the blood inside the left atrium. And this blood comes when the atrium is relaxed. When it contracts, the blood goes into the left ventricle. Then from left ventricle, it goes through the aorta to the body organs. From here, it goes to the body organs. And from the body organs, the deoxygenated blood comes through this vena cava to the right atrium. This is the right atrium, you can see. When it relaxes, it comes here, and then when it contracts, the blood goes into the right ventricle, and these are the two valves. So these are the valves we have inside the heart, which prevents the backward flow of the blood. And from the right ventricle, the blood goes for the purification through the pulmonary artery into the lungs. So from here, the blood goes into the lungs. So you can see here, this is one and this one. So from here, it goes to the lungs. So in this way, the blood flows through the heart. Understood? Thank you.